Just one taste and it's over. I'll be the rattle